You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
CAL FIRE crews are getting ready to burn more than 100 acres of grass in Red Bluff. That's what they were up to today, and this is a live look at that area right now. At 6 this evening, they'll be burning along Highway 36 east of Stice Road to Hog Lake. That burn will be over by 4 in the morning, but will pick up again tomorrow at 6. Look out for traffic controls on the highway.
Yeah, so that's a lot of a haze out there in this sky, Jason. We've been seeing blue skies with a lot of puffy white clouds. Just seeing haze there.
Yeah, we have haze, we have a lot of heat. It made me actually just go drink my, get more water, because just looking at the high temperature map from today, it's making me hot. As you can see, the temperatures were in the 90s and tripled. It's 101 degrees today in Redding and in Red Bluff. We had a high today of 100 in Corning, 93, a little bit cooler at the Chico Airport, but it was hotter downtown. 92 degrees in Oroville this afternoon. 86, getting pretty warm in Paradise. Also a high of 86 degrees in Bernie today. So we have some isolated showers and thunderstorms over the higher terrain, but far fewer than the previous afternoons, and they're not going to last very long either. We can see that in Futurecast. Even by 11 o'clock, they're going to be all gone. We'll have a clear sky all by tomorrow morning, and one difference compared to the last several days, we are going to have few, if any, clouds Thursday or Friday around Northern California as that ridge of high pressure regains control over weather for the first time in quite some time. It was really nice for a good chunk of June to have that trough almost semi-permanently over Oregon and California. It provided cooler than average weather, almost daily chances of rain showers and thunderstorms over the mountains, sometimes over the valley, but now with that ridge of high pressure in control, that's not going to happen. We'll have a slight chance for some mountain showers and storms, but most of those will be far away from our viewing area. Saturday and Sunday, we're going to have our peak heating, and we'll definitely have the hottest temperatures of the year thus far. There is a small, weak trough low pressure that wants to push its way into Northern California Monday, Tuesday, which is the 4th of July, and Wednesday. But you'll notice it's not going to provide any great chances for widespread rain. A slight chance for showers about 7 days from now, but expect a lot more heat than relief from the heat in the short term and the long term. So looking at our 7-day rainfall totals, if we're lucky, we may have a few hundredths of an inch of rain in the highest elevations, one of the driest 7-day forecast maps that we've had for months and months and months, and also the hottest temperatures we've had since 2022. So all the areas in orange, those are heat advisories for Siskiyou, Modoc, Trinity counties, as well as the mountains of western Shasta, western Tehama, and western Glenn County too. And the areas in pink matching my tie, that's an excessive heat warning. It was a watch, now it's a warning. Still begins at Friday morning at 11 a.m., lasts until Sunday night at 11 p.m. And the temperatures in the valley easily over 100 degrees, but most places 105 to 110, up to 112 will be possible. And I had to finally surrender and turn on my air conditioner today. If you haven't done that, you're going to want to do that soon. We'll have more air conditioning in our forecast as well, and you're going to need it tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. And do that yard work as early as you can, because the next 4 days are going to be the hottest that we've seen all year thus far, especially on Saturday and Sunday. So do everything you can in the early morning hours when the temperatures are closer to this. We'll have lows tomorrow morning in the 50s in the mountains, mainly mid to upper 60s in the valley, so mild for a few minutes. And then it's going to get hotter again. 90s and triple digits for almost everybody for the valley, between 100 and 105 tomorrow afternoon. And it's going to get hotter than that Saturday and Sunday, 105 both days. Some places closer to 107. And by the 4th of July, we'll be down to 100 degrees for the Redding area, between 105 and 110. Tomorrow through Monday, trying to cool down to only 103 degrees by next Tuesday, which by then will only be 6 degrees above average. But it's going to be very hot, so make sure you stay cool and stay safe.
Now that is really hot.
Yeah.
What can we do, though? Thanks, Jason.